Unit 9. Review. Listen and read. Today, Karim is going to talk about transport. There are many cars, vans, motorbikes, and lorries in our city. At 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon, I was counting the cars, vans, motorbikes, and lorries from our house. I counted 43 cars, 22 vans, 11 motorbikes, and 17 lorries. Then I saw a helicopter. The helicopter was the most interesting. I have a book about helicopters. The book says that helicopters travel very fast. I took a photo of the cars and vans in our city. How many can you see? Vocabularies. المصطلحات. Vans شاحنات صغيرة. Motorbikes دراجات. Lorries شاحنات كبيرة. إذن الفان أصغر من اللوري. 43 43. 22 22. 11 11. 17 17. 2. Look and say. Grandparents on Tuesday. A museum at the weekend. Dentist surgery tomorrow. Shopping center this afternoon. I am not going to visit my grandparents on Tuesday. I am going to visit my grandparents on Saturday. إذن هنا سنسأل ونجيب. لو لاحظتوا جنب كل مكان الواحد حيروحه يوجد يوم أو تاريخ. هذا التاريخ سيكون بالنفي. سنحل مثلا الجملة الثانية I am not going to visit a museum at the weekend. I am going to visit a museum on holidays. ونكمل بهذا الشكل. 3. Ask and answer. Page 37. A. By. الساعة 25 past 11. B. Look at. الساعة اللي مذكورة 20 to 3. C. Read about. الساعة 10 to 8. D. Choose. الساعة المذكورة 5 past 9. E. Do. الساعة المذكورة 20 past 3. F. Play. الساعة المذكورة 10 past 8. What were you doing at 25 past 11? I was buying a bracelet in the jewelers. إذن سنسأل ونجيب. موجود الوقت، موجود الفعل، سنركب الجملة كالمثال. 4. Listen, ask and answer. 1. Are horses, lions, and deer fast animals? 2. Is the deer faster than the lion? 3. Which is the strongest animal? 4. Which animal is the tallest and the most beautiful? 5. Does the boy think that the horse is the most useful animal? 6. Which animal is more dangerous than the tiger? Fast سريع. Faster أسرع. Strongest أقوى. Tallest أطول. Most beautiful أكثر جمالا. Useful أكثر فائدة. More dangerous أكثر خطرا. سأقرأ المادة الصوتية ليسهل عليكم الإجابات. استمعوا جيدا لتعرفوا الإجابة. Audio script. المادة الصوتية. Girl, horses, lions and deer are the fast animals, but lions are the fastest. Boy, the lion is very strong animal. Girl, yes, the lion is very strong, but I think that the elephant is the strongest animal. Boy, I think that the giraffe is the most beautiful animal. Girl, yes, and it's the tallest animal too. Boy, I think that the camel is the most useful animal. Girl, what do you think about the tiger? Boy, I think that the tiger is the most dangerous animal. Girl, I think that the shark is more dangerous than the tiger. It has the biggest teeth. 5. Read and match. Page 38. 1. Hello, I am Abbas. I went to the shopping center 2 weeks ago. I went with my father. We went to the computer shop and I bought a computer game. 2. I am Jabir. I went to the shopping center last Saturday. My father took me to the sports shop. I bought some football boots. I like them very much. My team won the match yesterday. 3. My name is Nada. I went to the shopping center yesterday. I went with my mother. We bought a book for my aunt in the bookshop. I think that my aunt is going to be very happy. 4. I am Huda. I went to the shopping center this morning. I went with my mother and my sister. I bought a pink blouse in the clothes shop. I am going to wear my new blouse next weekend. Team فريق 1. فاز The match مباراة wear يلبس 6. Project Do a survey about the weekend. إذن هنا سوف نفعل استبيانة. سوف يجيب الطالب على هذا السؤالين. How many people are you going to ask? إذن كم عدد الأشخاص الذين ستسألهم؟ 2. What questions are you going to ask? ما هي الأسئلة التي ستسألها لهم؟ طبعا الأسئلة ستكون بخصوص عطلة نهاية الأسبوع. Exercise 2. Read and complete. On Friday morning, I went to the mosque with my father. On Saturday afternoon, I went to the library with my sister. At 10 o'clock on Saturday morning, I was playing football. طبعا هاي إجابات على الأسئلة اللي تحت. What did you do on Friday morning? What were you going at 10 o'clock on Saturday morning? What did you do on Saturday afternoon? فكان مثلا إجابة طالب اسمه زيد I went to the mosque with my father. وهكذا. طبعا يمكن للطالب أن يسأل أسئلة غير هذه الثلاثة أسئلة. في التمرين الثالث ask and answer. بناء على أسئلة الطلاب وإجاباتها سنسأل ونجيب. فمثلا What did Zaid do on a Friday morning? He went to the mosque with his father. وهكذا.